Good morning. Thank you for the chance. My name is Anjali Mahasankar. I am 21 years old. I am from Bala district, Nepal. I am a single. I have 7 members in my family. My education is 10 past. My height is 5 feet and my waist is 60 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years work experience cooking helper in Nepal. I want to come any European country as a cooking helper to earn the money and support my family. I can cut the vegetable into different cuts like slices, dices, julienne, wedges, fine chop, bajonet, etc. Thank you. I'm going to show my cutting skill. Slice cut. Julienne cut. Madeline cut. Wedges cut. Chop cut. Rice cut. Thank you.